All right, we're going to factor in this lesson. So we're going to first factor by greatest common factor, or what we call the GCF. So in example A, we're looking for the greatest common factor of those two terms. So the greatest common factor is what you can greatest divide out. So we can divide out by 9 and x squared. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to go to red here, and we're going to have 9x squared is our greatest common factor. So we think of that as dividing both of the terms by 9x squared. All right, so when we divide both of them by 9x squared, 18x cubed divided by 9x squared is 2x. The next term, when we divide 27x squared divided by 9x squared, 27 divided by 9 is 3. And then x squared divided by x squared is 1. So our final answer is 9x squared times the quantity 2x plus 3. Example B, the greatest common factor is going to be that parentheses of x plus 3. So we're going to divide out x plus 3 from both of those terms. And then what we're left with is the x squared plus 5. All right, example 2, factor by grouping. We do this method when we have 4 terms. So we're looking for terms that have greatest common factors. So I'm going to go ahead and group the first 2 terms together and the next 2 terms together. And then we look and see where their greatest common factors are. So in the first group, the first parentheses, our greatest common factor is x squared. So what we're left with after we divide both of those terms by x squared is x plus 4. In the second group, our greatest common factor is 3. So we're going to divide both of those terms by 3. And we're left with x plus 4. Now, if we've done this correctly with grouping, both of those parentheses should be the same, which we call our new GCF. So it's very similar to this example B here, where we had the parentheses x plus 3 and x plus 3 the same. So that's your GCF. So our GCF is x plus 4. And then what we're left with is the x squared plus 3 that's out in front.